Hi, this 5-minute solution gonna show you how to find and cancel sent friend request on Facebook. So if you sent a bunch of friend requests on your Facebook account and now you want to cancel any friend request, send friend request, here's how to do it. And the steps will be similar for Androids and iPhones. First of all, go to your Facebook and sign into your Facebook account. Now tap on your profile photo and here tap on friends or find friend. Here you will see this friend request option. Just tap on see all next to friend request. Now tap on this three dot and tap on view sent request. And here you will find all of your sent friend request. As you can see, I've sent it 132 friend request, and now from here you will be able to easily cancel any sent friend request by tapping on cancel. And here, as you can see, I've successfully cancelled this friend request. So this is how we can do it. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.